Hello friends, today we are unboxing new Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4. This is new watch, smartwatch for 2024 with great price around $100. Let's unbox it and review it. It has great AMOLED display, major display upgrade. Experience the biggest screen ever on the Redmi watch, boasting 26 increase in display area paired with 60 Hz monitor, aluminum alloy frame, 2 classic colors, 20-day battery life for long-lasting companion. Got this watch for review for 5 days and I'm using it each day, and battery lasts, it used only 10% of battery for 5 days. It's great watch. Please make comments down below. Redmi Watch connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to view and reject calls on your watch and engage in conversation with the built-in microphone and speaker without the need to take out your smartphone. This is great opportunity, very great possibility on this smartwatch. It's premium smartwatch. Great monitoring accuracy. The PPG sensor configuration has been upgraded to include 4 channels to help increase health monitoring and accuracy. Smart sleep monitoring with the help of scientific meticulous sleep monitoring technologies. The watch records your real-time sleep conditioning at different stages such as deep sleep, light sleep and REM, improving your sleep habits and quality. Wow, great. All-round health monitoring, your constant guardian. Independent satellite positioning, tracking your workout routine anytime. As you can see, it's from great material. Professional water resistance. Please make a comments down below what you think about this smartwatch. Did you buy it? Want to buy? And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and see you in next video. Bye.